Weka mic.
Rekodi hata kitu na udaja kuchukua kurekodi vitu hapo.
Jamaa.
Fanya wapi sasa?
Perfect. Songa karibu.
Fiti. Hey man, hey. Long time.
Politically involved na serikali tukijibu.
Speculation that maybe the two of you could be wanting to replace Joho and Mheshimiwa Wycliffe Oparanya. Is this true? When do you see it? What is the mood like, given that the two?
I don't know what you're asking. You're talking about replacing. We're not replacing anybody. We are an ODM. We are members of ODM, and our business is ODM. Therefore, we're not replacing nobody. I don't know where you have gotten that information from. As we are seriously looking into making sure our party is strong, as it were, and more stronger than even the way it was. Therefore, the issue of replacement is not an issue because we are not there yet. We close the river when we are there.
Then what is the mood like, given that propose to the AUC, you've seen bodies also joining the government?
The issue of our colleagues joining government, to be told, today we have soldiers in Haiti. Kenya has not dissolved to be Haiti. ODM remains to be the party. President Ruto remains to be our competitor. We'll make sure the party is strong to compete with Kenya Kwanza then, when times comes. But for the time being, we have rented them, our soldiers, because indeed they have realized they did not have the capacity, as it were, for them to lead the country. Therefore, the brains in our party, if they can help the country to move forward, so be it. At the moment, as we are prepared as a party, we are more strong, I can assure you. Now that we are going forward, we hope that we'll observe the rule of the law, the national government, ourselves, to make sure Kenya again is a country of administration as it's been.
Given the opportunity now to serve.
I'm a vice deputy vice chairman national. We will lead. I'm a leader. I'm a governor in my own county. Again, given an opportunity to serve at a different level in my party again, I'll do it, and we'll do it for sure. We'll do it to the level that our people expectation is met. Yeah.
Given that the two deputy party leaders are almost leaving, the premier has submitted his papers to the AUC. The chairman also seems to be joining the minority leader. What is the mood?
There's never a vacuum in an ideology. Someone will always be able to pop up, and the structure of ODM has been is in such a manner that it is to last not for purposes of individuals, but to last for purposes of Kenyans.
And there is a speculation that's being fronted to the deputy party leader for ODM. From where you sit, what is the position?
Well, if I have been fronted, I'm glad that those who are fronting me have seen probably the level of loyalty and capacity. But right now is not the time to discuss about those particular positions. It is not my decision to make. It is the organs within the party to be able to make that particular decision.
Of course, the organs maybe are meeting tomorrow. What do you expect? Your expectations?
I think it's too early to be able to start speculating and start speaking on these matters. I do not know what is on the agenda yet of the party structure and organs. But like I said, our loyalty to our party is because we believe in its manifesto, we believe in its ideology, we believe in the fact that Kenya is stronger than an individual.
Given the opportunity, what new momentum are you seeking to inject?
Like I said, I really would prefer not for us to be able to cross that bridge when we get there. But if you're asking me on my capacity to be able to serve for the people, to bring in more vitality and freshness, by all means. But I would truly prefer that we cross that bridge when we get there. Ushirikiano. Let us be very, very clear. Hatuna ushirikiano. Kenya Kwanza remains as Kenya Kwanza. ODM and Azimio remains as ODM and Azimio. It is a very, very simple scenario. Upande ule mwingine nyumba ilikuwa inachomeka, na kuchomeka kwao ni kuchomeka kwa Kenya. Na wakaja wakasema, jameni, tusaidianeni, chukua ile ndoo ya maji tuanze kujaribu kidogo kuzima ule moto. Haimaanishi ya kuwa tumeweza kuungana. Kila mmoja ako na identity yake. Identity yangu mimi kama Abdulswamad Sharif Nassir, mimi ni mwanachama wa Orange Democratic Movement, ODM. Agenda yetu sasa hivi ni kuhakikisha ya kwa kila siku tutakuwa tunakumbusha Wakenya ahadi ambazo kwamba tulikuwa tunaweka katika manifesto yetu ni kitu fulani na fulani na fulani. Kifika mwaka 2027 kila mmoja anavaa njumu zake. Sasa hivi hii ni ile tunasema ni kama unaweza kuita ni first aid. Pili, ndugu yangu hapa ametoa mfano na sijapata mfano bora zaidi. Haiti wanapigana, walikuja Kenya kujaribu kutafuta usaidizi wa wale security forces kwenda kuwasaidia. Haimaanishi ya kwa Kenya imeungana na Haiti ama Kenya itakuwa ni Haiti. Kenya imeenda pale kuisaidia ile Haiti. Haiti remains as Haiti and Kenya remains as Kenya. In the same way, we've only gone to be able to safeguard a nation. Now wamechukua individuals.